Hi everybody, and welcome to week 1. In this navigation video, I want to highlight some unique features about how content is laid out in each week. It's a little different than what we saw before the course begins. You'll notice here that there's a number of subsections on the left-hand side. Introduction and Overview, War and Politics, Trade and Economics, Religion, Culture and the Arts, Daily Life, Legacy, Content Mastery. There's a quiz and a week 1 discussion and suggestions for further reading. Each week will be laid out in a very similar pattern. I'm going to make sure, though, as you're going through the course, that you notice each unit in each subsection. So, for example, here we have 3 units. And in this particular unit, we have a number of components. So there is a weekly overview video or a personal introduction from the professor, Ian Moulton. You have some text here about the learning objectives and activities in this particular week, what we hope that you'll accomplish and what you'll learn, and then the activities that you're going to be engaging to meet those objectives. So once you scroll to the bottom and you've read everything, let's move over to the next unit. You'll notice that there's a video right here in the next unit, but in each video there's going to be a series of text just above to give you a highlight to know what to look for as you're watching this video. This will be key as you're going to be studying for your exams. And we also highly encourage you to take notes and note key features, important people as you go through the course. I want to also now highlight this activity called Content Mastery by our friends at Cerigo. This is meant as an overview to help you master certain topics in the course that are important to, one, the quizzes, and at the same time understanding the narrative of the course. So I've already started, and you may already see a button somewhere on the page that'll say Learn or Get Started. I'm going to click Learn here. And what it's going to show me is either a series of kind of flashcards, pictures of maps, or timelines. So right here it's going to show us, it's showing us a map, and it's highlighting this particular star here is where Damascus is. And when you've studied the map and you think, okay, I've got it, click I got it. Then it's going to show you another city. Right here is where they say is Babylon. Okay, I got it. Here's an example of a timeline. I'm going to go through this kind of quick for the sake of brevity here. Now it's going to ask me a question. Do you know what this is positioned in the order? Let's see. I think I know it. And I'm just going to say it's right here. Oops, it's in 332 BC. So in this case, I got the answer wrong, but if that happens to you, that's okay. The goal is that you'll get a chance to practice, and Cerigo will help you memorize this content. So practice this, get to know this stuff. It's okay to try and try again. Your goal here is to get to level 1. Once you've done that, you'll receive credit in your progress bar for week 1 participation in Cerigo. All right, I want to highlight 2 more things. One, each week there's going to be a quiz. And in these quizzes, you'll get 1 attempt to take the questions. There'll be 15 questions, and so you'll get a score. You'll get to see your score immediately, how you did. There's also a discussion each week. And in each discussion, there will be 2 or 3 questions that you have a choice to respond to. You don't have to respond to both of them, but we highly encourage you to respond to one or the other. So for example, if you want to select this first question, then you would just simply click this first post and post your comments, questions, and thoughts. Okay, thank you very much for watching this. And again, remember to make sure you're paying attention to all the content. We want to make sure by the time you hit the quizzes that you're not surprised by anything. So feel free to look over, watch lectures over again, take notes, hit higher levels of mastery in the Cerigo project, and engage with your friends in this course. Thank you very much.